in the Sunshine State of Florida, the capital of sustainable fashion is blooming. Miami, a city known for its vibrant culture and stunning beaches, is also home to a booming industry of eco-friendly handbags and purses. Crafted with care, these accessories blend style and sustainability, offering a chic alternative for the environmentally conscious. Ever wonder where most of these are manufactured? Right here in the heart of Miami. From the bustling streets to the tranquil beaches, this city is a haven for green fashion. The most sought after? Compact crossbody bags, versatile totes, and elegant clutches, all made from sustainable materials. Each item is presented in eco-friendly packaging, a testament to the commitment to protect our planet. So why wait? Reach out to YouTube Organic today and step into the world of sustainable fashion, Miami style. Remember, it's more than just a bag, it's a statement of care for our world.